Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. I find lately that my days are busier than ever, so I decided to go old school with this paper desk calendar. This is from Sweetser and Orange. I really love all of their products and thought I'd share with you how much I love this desk calendar. The colors on this calendar are really vibrant and beautiful. The one I opted for is the floral. This is pre-dated, so it is for the current year. What I really like about it is that it gives me lots of room to be able to write down all of my appointments and my schedule. The paper that it's made out of is a nice durable paper. You can see that it's nice and thick, so it makes it easy not only to write on, but it stays in place on my desk. Each of the pages have the different floral colors, and as I mentioned, it is pre-dated, so everything is already set up for you so you can quickly start scheduling and organizing your days. I love my electronic calendar, but I also find having a paper one makes such a difference, and when you have a good quality one like this one, it makes even more of a difference, and that's my point of view.